SERV stock analysis price predictions news. In this quick and short 1-minute video, I will show you exactly how I would trade and analyze. I am the only guy in the stock trading space that's done 47,000 videos over 5 years and documented them all. Over, 47,000 videos documented. But truly speaking, with SERV, I'm just looking to double down. Like, it's not that I'm just randomly going to start buying or anything, but I am going to start doubling down on this one only if it gives me a little pull down and a double break. Other than that, randomly buying, nah. So let me just do this. Oh, what the heck. So let me look at the top. Oh yeah, nice. And I wouldn't randomly buy this, it must correct down. So all I'm doing in the meantime, just waiting for confirmation. SERV. I do have like 3 receipts in the Discord, which is nice. And so if you want to get stock picks, emails, and insights for free, click the first link below.